Hello and welcome. Welcome if you are new here, and welcome back if you've been with me for a while. I really do appreciate you all. Today I have for you Tribe Beauty Box. So if you don't know, it is a bi-monthly beauty subscription. I don't know how much it costs. It'll be on the screen per my usual. But it's a beauty subscription box that focuses on vegan, cruelty-free, clean skincare, that sort of thing. So let's get into it, shall we? So the first thing I pull out is this. Oh, I think this is new. They started putting in how much things are worth. That's cool. I think that's new. You guys know how my memory goes. We won't even talk about my memory right now. Oh, and also there is a giveaway going on that will be linked down below. And also I will link the next closest future giveaway. I'll link that down below too, so you guys can see what is in it. So the first thing I am pulling out is a palette. Okay, this is what the packaging looks like. And let's see, let's read about it. Glam Light Miracle Palette. It retails for $28. And it says, the Miracle Palette is a tribute to all the brave women in the world who have been affected by breast cancer. Oh, that's nice. It's a stunning rose color story, the perfect palette for subtle or glam looks. Okay, let's take a peek. Ooh, that is pretty. Here, let me remove the sleeve. So that is what the palette looks like. That is super pretty. Nice. All right. The next thing I am pulling out, what is this? I cannot pronounce that. Cloina, Cloinada? I don't know. I probably totally slaughtered that. Cosmetics. Use Tribe to save 15%. So I guess it's a makeup place, I guess, where you can go online, and it is, here, I'll just do this. That is, focus. That's the website. So if you guys are interested, and then you just use the word Tribe to get some percentage off. The next thing I am pulling out is, it says may cause euphoria. Vixen Potion. Okay, so it's a little box. What is it? Vixen Potion. Oh, I just ripped the box. I hate it when I do that. That is one of my biggest pet peeves, when I rip the box. Ooh, okay, so that packaging is super pretty. Oh my goodness. Let's see what this is before I open it. Okay, so this retails for $17.99. And oh, I guess I need to read about it. Hold on. And it says, intense pigment for an edgy chrome effect. Multi-chrome pigments are 35 times more expensive than regular eyeshadow formulas. They are truly amazing. So it's a single eyeshadow. Let's, ooh, I just kind of cracked that open and it just kind of, ooh. I don't know if you guys can see, but it is just kind of flying everywhere. So if you can see how that is translating on the screen, it's translating of more of like a cherry color, but it's also gold. So it's a cherry and gold, like a duochrome sort of a thing. That is gorgeous. Although I have made a mess of it. And I just put the lid on, and I don't know if you guys can see it. It's just kind of like powder. That is really, really pretty. So the next thing I am pulling out is by Gerard Cosmetics, and it is a long wear Hydra Matte lipstick, I am assuming. Let's pull it out. It is in the color Mud Slide, and that is, here, I will show you the wand. I don't want to swatch it because I will probably just pass this along, but if you guys are familiar with, it smells kind of vanilla-y. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Urban Decay, the color 1993. It looks very similar to that, and I own that. So I will pass this along to somebody that can get some use out of it, but it's like totally a throwback to the 90s, and I absolutely, it's a gorgeous color. It really is. The next thing I am pulling out is, ooh, a highlighter by Makeup Geek. All right, we are going to try really hard not to ruin this packaging. Oh, that packaging is gorgeous. Okay, that's pretty. I'm not going to swatch it, but what color is this? It's psychedelic. You know what? I'm almost positive I own this. Like, I'm like 95% sure that I own this. So I will double check that. And if I do, I will pass this along to one of you. But Makeup Geek's really good highlighters. Love them. And last but not least, ooh, I am pulling out a brush set. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-piece brush set, and it looks like there are, I don't want to open it. Ooh, those are really pretty. I'm gonna open it. I'll keep these. I can never pass up a beautiful brush. So it has these really pretty, like, prismatic sort of a handle. Oh, those are gorgeous. And so you have a face brush. What is this? I am not sure what that is. I don't know. That must be like a smaller highlight brush. And then you have 3 eye brushes here. So that is cool. What is this on the bottom? Oh, we have something else. But let's see, hold on. I actually forgot to tell you guys, the Makeup Geek highlighter is $14.99. The brush set is $24.50. Let's see, I told you what that was. I told you what the palette was. The Gerard Cosmetics lipstick is $19/$20, whatever that means. And then the last thing I am pulling out is the Cysteine Retinol and Collagen Cherub Mask for $15.50, but they are eye masks, and I actually got 2 of them. So I don't know if I was supposed to get 2 of them. Let's see. It doesn't say that I was supposed to get 2 of them. But I mean, you guys know I love me a good eye mask. So that was good. That was a Tribe Beauty. And, oh, you know what? I forgot to mention, if you guys, you know, there are a few of you that keep asking about the shirts that I'm wearing, because I usually wear like some sort of a graphic tee or it says something or does something or whatever. But this shirt is from Piff the Magic Dragon. We saw him live here in Columbus, and he is a comedian that wears a dragon suit, and he has a little doggy that comes on stage with him, and his name is Mr. Piffles. And so that is the shirt that I'm wearing today. Okay, you guys, this was a really good box. I am super happy with it. I don't think I've ever been this happy with a Tribe Beauty, so that's kind of cool. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a great day. Bye.